Hello, ladies and gentlemen, Santa here. Not really a video, just kind of an update to let you know. I really haven't gotten too far with the doctors. Been to 3 different ones on this leg problem, and the last one pretty much told me, since I've been off of it for over a month, it's healing really nice. So I'm more likely going to go ahead and ride out the rest of the heat. It's looking like the end of next week. We're going to get a reprieve, and it's going to be back down in the 80s, nice 60s in the morning. That's dead on perfect for me. So we're going to do our best to get out and get some videos done. I'm feeling a lot better. As you know, I went with Randy to pick up the Model T, and did great, did perfect. Till I was walking across his yard and that muscle hit, and it was just downhill from there. I mean, I didn't last another couple of hours, and I told him, I said, I'm sorry, I got to go. Took me about 2 days for it to quit hurting, but, you know, as long as I can keep it from doing that, I guess I'll be good. But I got to get this Corvette going so I can get it sold and get Mr. Jim's pickup. I've been in contact with Jim. He understands. He hasn't been doing anything either because of this heat. It has been the worst summer I have seen in a long time, especially in this oven of a shop. And no, guys, I can't air condition this thing. To get it insulated, I would have to literally pull everything away from the walls, have somebody come in and spray it. That right there is almost $15,000 to $20,000 to have them spray it. And then the air conditioning units, I would have to get an industrial unit, and you know, that's another $20,000. The Mr. Cools just would not do nothing in here. I mean, I've got 14-foot walls. This shop just isn't made to be air conditioned. And then the money it would cost to run the thing, oh my gosh, I don't even want to think about that. But thank you for your concern. When the YouTube takes off and I can start really making some good money with it, I'm planning on building another little shop over by my house and insulate it, you know, shorter ceilings, air conditioned, the whole bit. That's going to be the body shop. This here will be the mechanic shop, where we do all the engine work, frame work, rear ends, all that stuff. Over there, once we get the base, about like where I got Jim's done, it'll go over to the body shop and be in a nice weather controlled, have a paint booth, the whole bit. That's my goals. I mean, I've only been doing this a year and a half. I got a long ways to go. And as long as I can keep myself healthy, I'm going to be doing it as long as I possibly can. So guys, thank you so much for sticking with me on this. I mean, I have not lost any subscribers. Matter of fact, they're still going up. And that really, really, really means a lot to me. Guys, if you want to support me, I'm going to put some links. I don't know if I'm going to get it in this video, but I've got a wish list on Amazon. We've got links of all the Alloy Works radiators, the Odelphi strip lamp headlight. Those things are really cool. You need to check those out. The XL smoke detector. They've been sending me messages like crazy the past few weeks, wanting me to do some more stuff. As soon as I get going again, fellas, we're going to really start kicking tail. And sitting still just is not my best thing to do. But once again, thank y'all for sticking with me. I got some shout outs to do in my next main video. I've had some people send me some stuff. It's really cool. But guys, thank you. I really mean it. We'll see you next time on Santa's Workshop.